Alright guys, it's not wired up yet, but what the fuck? Damn. I'm loving this. Let's look at it sitting in the back seat. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go right here. We turn around. Fuck, I'm in love. That is bomb. And it clears the glass, guys. Look. Look at that shit. I don't know how much room I have. An inch. Like a fucking inch. If you can see up in there. It's like an inch away from the glass. Oh, I guess we can go in here and look. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's all the clearance we have to the glass. Not much. Oh, this is fucking awesome. I hope this fucking thing sounds good. The seats no longer recline now, but they do go up, so we're all good there. Alright. Now it's time to get her wired. This should be easy because I can get to all the terminals, and I got to screw them down in the room over there. Here's regular fucking bolts, which will probably snap. Here's stainless. Stainless fucking steel. These are diggers. So you can hear the difference between the quality of those and that. Hear that quality? Hear that quality? So we're in, guys. No more band hammer for now. This is probably going to become my new, what do you call it? My new sub for my living room with the comp R's. And then Base Insane's going to have first dibs on this. EVL 15. We'll work out a price. I barely even broke this in, man. Stiff as a bitch. It's gotten a little teeny loose since I've gotten it. Not much. At that badass scar I cut out. But yeah, there's a little movement. It's still, I mean, I'm pushing hard. Not much. I got the box, the factory box 2 upstairs. And alright, man, let's get it moving. Next is wired up. Peace.